Hello, today I have a little share of some icicle ornaments that I made. I followed, I think her name is Sarah from Softflex, and she made these maybe 2 years ago. And I don't think I made any back then, but I knew I had tons of beads and I really wanted to make these for just family members and put them in a cute little box, you know, with some, I don't know, maybe glitter shred or something, like gold shred, and you have a nice little ornament gift. So these are super easy to make. The tutorial, like I said, I'm going to post below. If you want me to make one, I guess I could, because it's pretty easy for me to do. Because normally I don't like doing tutorials. But let me know what you guys think. I think these are super pretty. And I tried to do them in different colors. Of course, the light is not picking up all the shine on this. But I used mostly Jessejamesbeads. I have tons of them from when I used to make jewelry. So, like I said, I wanted to use them up. And then I have, so this one's gold. And I have some pretty bead caps. And you go like large to small. It's supposed to look like an icicle. And this is a boho bead, they call them, at Jesse James. I think they're handmade, and it's like clay, and they put each piece in it. It's really cool. And then some sparkle. Sorry, my hands are super dry. It's so cold over here. And then you just take the wire and you wrap it around, and it's so pretty. You could even hang these in your car, and then you make the little hook. You can hang them from your rear view mirror. This one is pink, red themed. The bubblegum beads, sparkle beads, the boho. I tried to do one boho, I think, in each, and red on the bottom. Super pretty. I wish the lighting was good, but I'll have pics on my Insta. This one is like a pink Christmas colors. Not really Christmas colors, but a lot of us use pink. These beads are super pretty. I got these at Hobby Lobby. It's like all kinds of crushed glass. I love them. This one's like textured and sparkly. Pink. And then this one's kind of like a maroon silver. I did the silver wire. And they're about 6 inches long. You could make them longer, but I think 6 inches is about right. So this has, I forget what you call that. Kind of looks like a raspberry. I did some rondelles in the middle, sparkly rondelles. And this one is a crushed shell, I believe, from Jesse James. And then the maroon. And on the end I did a bicone sparkly glass crystal, whatever you call it. And this one is shorter. This one's about 4 inches, similar to, well, it has that same bead, and then it has this bead. Super pretty. And they'll hang on your tree really nice. I'm going to try and take pics with my tree as well. So yeah, check out her tutorial. It's super easy. But like I said, if you want me to do one, just let me know. I don't mind. All right, have a good one. Bye.